Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain how Jainam Software can be used to create multiple branches. And to answer your question, yes, Jainam Software works for multiple branches with the multiple branch concept as well. So let's see where that can be done. If you go to Master Setup, Branch Hierarchy, okay, you will see that this is the branch hierarchy form. Now say you want to create your hierarchy based on country, state and district. Okay, so usually you will have to edit this first branch. Okay, so to edit any branch, this is a pen icon here. You can click that and you can just click this pen icon and you can add the name India here, because I am doing everything based on country, state and you can add the code here. If you want to add the address, you can add and just say okay. So this is your country. Okay, now under the country I want to add, like for example, say my branches are in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So under India I want to add 3 countries. So this is the plus sign. You click on the plus sign, say Maharashtra. You can add the code MH and just say OK. Now under India only I have another branch in Karnataka. So I click this plus button and I will say I'm going to add Karnataka. Okay, and then probably you can have the code KH and do OK. Now say there's one more branch in AP as well, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I'm going to add AP. I'll click OK. Once you do this hierarchy, don't forget to click Save. Now this is India, and under India I have added the states, but within the states my branches, for example in Maharashtra I have a branch, one in Pune and one in Mumbai. So under Maharashtra I'm going to click on this plus button to add one in Pune. I'll say okay and I'll add this plus, but because under Maharashtra only I have in Mumbai also. So I will click this plus button and I will click Mumbai. Okay. Now under Karnataka, say I have one branch in Bangalore and I have one branch in Bangalore and say I have another branch in Belgaum. Okay. Now in AP, say I have one branch in AP North and one in AP South. So once you've added all the leaf nodes, let me just first add. Once you've added this, click Save again. Okay. So what does this mean? If you click this, you will know that your main head branch is India. Under India, you have branches in 3 states: Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. In Maharashtra, you have your branches in Pune and Mumbai, and in Karnataka, you have in Bangalore and Belgaum. Whereas in Andhra Pradesh, you have in AP North and AP South. So this way you can create your branches as per how you want them. Okay. So friends, this is how Jainam Software works for with the multiple branch concept. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.